Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about the 10 reasons why you're always feeling tired. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Do you feel tired mostly? No matter how many hours you sleep and rest? In general, most of us know that night rest is very important, but few can prioritize those 8 hours of sleep. We may get enough sleep, but we still feel tired. In any case, it is easy to say that many of us have forgotten what real rest feels like. Fortunately, there are many strategies and tricks to change your lifestyle that can help you fight fatigue and increase your energy levels. If you get enough sleep and still feel tired, you need to look deeper into the problems that we will discuss in this video, so stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 10. Anemia. One of the most common causes of excessive fatigue during the day is anemia, which is due to a lack of red blood cells. Red blood cells, which are responsible for delivering oxygen to different parts of the body and cells. If a person has anemia, this process becomes difficult and the person feels shortness of breath, weakness, and fatigue. A person can develop anemia for a variety of reasons, including vitamin deficiency, iron deficiency, internal bleeding, chronic diseases such as cancer, rheumatoid arthritis, or they cause kidney failure. Anemia is manifested by symptoms such as severe weakness, persistent fatigue, difficulty concentrating, sleep disturbances, chest pain, headache, and palpitations. Also, people with anemia cannot easily climb stairs or in time, even short walks get them tired. To diagnose this disease, you should go to the doctor for a physical examination and blood test. Number 9. Diabetes. More than 1 million people worldwide are diagnosed with type 2 diabetes each year. But there are still many people who are not aware that they have the disease. If a person is tired and lacks the energy to work, he or she may have type 2 diabetes. Fatigue due to type 2 diabetes is manifested by symptoms such as frequent urination, weight loss, hunger, excessive thirst, irritability, blurred vision, and fungal infections. There are 2 laboratory methods for diagnosing this disease. The first method that many people use is a simple blood sugar test. The second method is the oral glucose tolerance test. Both are reliable. Number 8. Thyroid problems. One cause of body fatigue can be the thyroid problem. The thyroid is a small, butterfly-shaped group located in the throat. If the secretion of thyroid hormones is not done properly, the person cannot do their daily tasks properly. Thyroid hormones are responsible for regulating metabolism. Metabolism increases when a person has hyperthyroidism and also decreases when a person has hypothyroidism, which affects heart rate, body temperature, protein production, and so on. Symptoms of thyroid disease and feeling tired: shortness of breath, feeling too tired, losing or gaining weight, changes in appetite, muscle and joint pain, impaired body function, changes in body temperature, and visual impairment. Number 7. Sedentary life. Fatigue can be a result of a sedentary lifestyle. Many people today live in the same place because of their job and lifestyle. Their bodies do not do much activity. This causes dryness of the body, neck cramps, back pain, and chronic headaches, and eventually, the person feels tired. In general, the body should be active, but when you are not active, you will have problems such as laziness, fatigue, and being overweight. One of the most important ways to solve this problem is to exercise. Exercise boosts the body's endurance, releases endorphins, and you can adjust your hormone pattern by doing daily activities that help you sleep better at night. Number 6. Food allergies. Any food that enters your body or you do not consume it can affect your sleep and fatigue. Also, if you eat unhealthy food or do not eat well, it will cause fatigue. If you eat food that causes your blood sugar to rise and fall rapidly at the same time, it will also make your body tired. It is best to look for a balanced diet that includes vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and protein. Number 5. Depression. If you feel tired and bored and this feeling is accompanied by feelings of hopelessness, sadness, and loss of appetite, you feel that something does not make you happy and you do not see a reason for happiness and joy, you may be depressed. So do not underestimate this feeling, because you will aggravate these symptoms and make your depression more serious. Seeing a psychiatrist prevents further problems. Number 4. Sleep disorders. If you've never felt energetic and fresh, one of the possible causes is sleep disorders, especially if you snore while sleeping. Swelling and bloating can be one of the symptoms of sleep mirror disease. Sleep apnea is one of the most common sleep disorders. Millions suffer from sleep apnea. Number 3. Difficulty in waking up. It is normal to have difficulty waking up in the morning and everyone may have this problem. But if you sleep well at night but the problem persists and you feel tired during the day, it indicates problems such as depression and even iron deficiency. Factors that cause excessive fatigue in the morning: respiratory problems during sleep, use of alcoholic beverages, abdominal emptiness and hunger during sleep, snoring during sleep, iron deficiency, and gastric reflux. Number 2. Dehydration. Excessive fatigue and muscle pain can be caused by dehydration. This problem occurs when body fluids, water, and electrolytes are excreted too much, in which case the person feels thirsty. Consume harmful beverages such as soft drinks instead of water, intense exercise without drinking water, prolonged exposure to sunlight, diabetes, diseases that cause diarrhea, vomiting, and excessive sweating, all can cause dehydration. When the body is dehydrated, less oxygen reaches the heart, and blood sugar is disturbed. If thirst is not relieved quickly, it can cause other problems for the person, including fatigue, lethargy, muscle weakness, and impaired concentration. Number 1. Vitamin deficiency. You may follow all the tips that make you fresh, but you have not paid attention to one of the factors that cause fatigue. It is also a lack of vitamins in the body. But at this stage, a question arises as to the cause of body fatigue. Which vitamin is deficient? Here we have to tell you that each of the vitamins plays an important role in the body and increases energy and relieves fatigue. Vitamin B12 plays an important role in converting food into energy. Vitamin B12 takes energy from food and delivers it to the body's cells. You need a variety of vitamins to increase energy in the body. These vitamins include vitamin D, a variety of B vitamins, and vitamin C, but you should first go to the doctor to thoroughly check what vitamins are lacking in your body, and then according to the doctor will prescribe the necessary vitamins for you. So, as you see, there can be serious problems behind feeling constant tiredness and fatigue. Don't take it easy, and if you feel always tired, see a doctor as soon as possible. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.